Chimpanzees are known for their ability to use tools like humans. They have been observed using sticks to extract termites from mounds for food. Dolphins are also tool users, using marine sponges to protect their noses while foraging on the seabed. This behavior is passed down through generations. Elephants are known to use branches to swat flies or scratch hard-to-reach places. They show great intelligence in creating and utilizing tools. New Caledonian crows are one of the most skilled tool users in the animal kingdom. They create and use complex tools to extract insects from crevices. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of animal intelligence and behavior.